Vivi, come back. Try it. Try that snack. Not for you. Is it good? You don't know? Maybe? Come here, buddy. Is it good? Ready? Sit. 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 Just try it. Oh, you do know it, good boy. It's a good boy, but sorry. Step on your food. Look what's in my hand. That's for you, homie. Little lizard man. Guess what? That's delicious. Over here. Come this way. Here, this way. Come on. Is that what we're gonna do? You're gonna cross over instead of going around? Come on, you got it. Get your butt. There you go. There you go. That's fine. I'm glad that worked out for you. Here. You're so silly. You're so silly. Baby puppy, yeah. Hi. Thank you. Oh my God, so many kisses. You're silly. You just want more food. Okay. Look at all this weight here on my black leggings because of you. Come on, okay. No? Let me see the teeth. Those are nice teeth. Those are nice in there, buddy. You're so licky. You're so licky, dude.